It's incredible to be here with all of you. You've heard about the autonomous enterprise, and what I get to do is show you how it feels to work in this new way. Today, we're looking at the Financial Closing Assistant. And in an era where companies can run supply chains in near real time and answer customer questions in seconds, the close can still take a week, sometimes longer. Not because the work is hard, but because the work is fragmented. All right, let's dive in here. What we're going to start with is looking at last quarter and how that went. What you'll see is this company has 12 legal entities, 4 ERP systems, 6 different currencies, hundreds of different reconciliations that depend on a human in one country waiting for a human in another. The close is not slow because financial teams are slow. It's slow because the work is person to person. What I'm going to show you is a new model, not automation. Automation runs scripts. What you'll see here is that Financial Closing Assistant, hard at work coordinating across all the different agents. It's also brought to my attention the 18 things that need a bit of approval. We're going to start here with the accounting accruals agent that has 4 proposals for me to review. You can see these have the details we need and a confidence level that's been set by my company. I can see this professional services accrual is just below the confidence I set. I approve, and the system remembers. Now, over in intercompany reconciliation, which is typically the hardest part of close, you can see most of these are completed and working on it. You also see we have some variances, each with the root cause already done. You can see timing, cutoff, and the occasional genuine dispute. One click matches the records on both sides in both currencies. What used to take weeks of emailing back and forth now happens in a single click. A pattern was recognized because the system has that company memory. It learns how your controllers think. Every approval, every override, every comment becomes part of how the agents behave next period. The system doesn't close the books, it learns the company that's closing them. Let's look back to what changed. So I can easily go back to Q1 and ask the system to compare with what we just saw in Q2. And what we're gonna see here is that in the Q2 close, it was faster, with less variances, with less items for the human to deal with. Each close will teach the next one. The system gets sharper, the exceptions get rarer, the close stops being something you survive and becomes something that can run itself.